Hello and welcome my friend, and today I am planning to give you real information that how you can make your BMW car even better than in new one. And here is one big defect area, especially in older BMW cars like 1 series, 3 series and 5 series, and I believe that also the 7 series and X SUV models. And this part is really this BMW's engines minus cable. And this defect is, I believe that in years 2004 to 2020. And I have now make in here this red paint, that this is like damage and not workable minus cable what goes to car engine area, this engine body to this engine rear mounting allow this part. And this is really like minus battery cable. What purpose is to move this minus electricity to engine. And this is really interesting engineering, because this feels and looks like okay, but this is still bad, because when I installed that in my BMW 300 series car would not start. But when I install it new one, then the car immediately starts. And this is really like only like 10 years old, and mileage is about 150,000 miles. And this is really engineering defect. And here we can see, if we can see that this is year model 2005, and sorry for this my painting, there is order number and maker is something like GHGKK, and there is this product code, but this is really engineering defect. And if you have any starting issues, replace that part. Okay. And then how we can improve our German cars and German engineering, the improvement by people who have this engineering, machine engineering skills like I have, we can do this benchmark innovation. And benchmark means that we look better solution. And if we can use this brand's product, almost all products in BMW car, I can guarantee that then we have like 2 times more reliable and quality way better car. Because Toyota's parts, they are tested and they are made to last 20 years. And this BMW's engineering, I believe that this is made to last 10 years. And 10 years, and Toyota is like 20 to 25, and that's we can use Toyota's parts. And then we have also excellent, actually we had excellent car brand from Scandinavian, and this is Volvo. Volvo is made in Sweden, and this part is really made, when we check, this is excellent quality, made in Sweden. Sweden quality is really excellent quality. It is almost like same like in made in USA and made in England and Switzerland. This is really excellent brand, and this is really made in Sweden, and this belongs in Volvo V 70 and Volvo V and S60 cars, this 2.4 liter gasoline engine, and there is even manufacturing date 2001, and this is like now almost 25 years old, and this engineering is, I can say, that best in world, because in 20 years ago all Volvos are those high quality Volvos, they are made in Sweden, and I have visited in Volvo's factory in Göteborg, and it was the best class in 25 years ago. But now there is no production so much in Sweden, and Volvos come from China, and this is like only history, because in this China made Volvos there is no this manufacturing made in Sweden stamp. And why this cable is so good? When we compare, and this is really battery cable, this is minus cable in Volvo cars. This belongs in battery and then ground position. And look, this is so durable, about 5 mm steel. Can you believe? This is like bulletproof. If you have 9 mm pistol bullet, it don't go through in that area. If we shoot like in 100 yards away. This is so excellent, made in Sweden or made in Finland steel. Finland and Sweden, they produce the best steels in world. Maybe they are not like in Japanese steel and US steel, but in top of these three. This is so excellent. Both sides. This is best battery minus cable what I have ever seen. And the idea is that when we compare this BMW, this is so thin. When we compare these points, this minus cable, it is like half. This is like made in Russian. Russian made all things very cheap and poor quality, because Russian thinks that if this part lasts 1,000 kilometers, it is enough. But this is really, I believe that this is made in Germany. Or what is this company? GKKP. I have to check that in what country this is. There is not even manufacturing country. But the idea is that when we install this Volvo's part in our BMW car, we like replace this poor quality part in that one, and then we have part what lasts 25 years or more, because this part is even like a new one. And I have used that in my Volvo, where is mileage about more than 200,000 miles. Can you believe? And this is like new one. Amazing thing. And this was the great Volvo's history. And this is the thing that how we can improve our BMW's engineering quality. And the thing is that we replace these poor quality German engineering parts to these high quality parts what we can find like in old Volvos, and of course in new Toyotas. And here is one of my Toyota's parts that we can see what they look like. And this is really Toyota's. This is from Toyota Corolla, and this is 20 years old. And when we compare this engineering, I think that this steel is much harder than in this BMW's this weak joints, and even there's this part becomes better if BMW install in there this plastic cover, because in Toyota cars and Volvos this copper is inside in here, but BMW they think that this is much cheaper, like in Russian way, when we do this without this black plastic cover. Okay, that kind of information to you, but remember also that if you like to use these original BMW cars parts, you can purchase these in BMW dealership center.